What's up? Hey, we're actually gonna be doing a video that I've been waiting a long time to do. Yeah, I just really been delayed with it. I'm gonna be unboxing some shoes that I got a couple months ago. I got these back in Jacksonville. They're Nike Dunk Highs. I think these are the All-Star Game Nikes. Barely green and black. Vert discreet newer, size 11. I'm not really a big sneakerhead, but I do like shoes that look nice and feel nice, and I don't know, I actually like shoes more for resale value and stuff like that. Like, I'm not really big on like the name brand shit and stuff like that, but you know, I think it's cool. I used to be though. I used to think I was, just because of like how kids in school make you feel for not having like name brand and stuff like that. But it's whatever. I grew up. But yeah, let's get to it. I've been excited to open this. I literally have not opened this box for months. I've never done that before. So here's the box. So there's there we go. There's the tag, or it's whatever the hell, the barcode with the size and everything. The Nike feels cool. It's like kind of rubberish feeling. The box has I don't know, it just feels really cool. Smooth. The box feels like cardboard. The Nike feels like it's got its own texture. I'm learning to be more gentle with things. I just gotta be doing stuff, you know. I'm excited to see the shoes. It's gonna be like seeing them for the first time again. Last time I saw them was in the mall, and I seen the one they had on display, but I've never seen these before, so it'll be crazy if I open it up and they're like completely different shoes than I saw last time. I don't know. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna lift this up. I'll pull this out very gently. It's like opening an iPhone. There we go, never before opened. So far, the wrapping of the shoes is silver. That's cool. That's my favorite color, guys. I never knew that they did that. I'm actually gonna keep this paper. Indianapolis Nike Dunk Highs. I love this, whatever is in the black of the shoe. Look at that, man. And you can't even feel it. It's not even rich. It's just smooth. It's like it's underneath like a lamination or whatever. It's pretty cool. They don't really make much of a cool sound. It's like a hollow sound. It's the laces. The bottom ridges are pretty cool. Some people be doing in the pictures, but that's not really my thing. So, yeah, these are the shoes that I bought. Never worn before. I may wear them like one time, I don't know. Oh, still got the stuffing inside of the shoe. The tissue. I used to love smelling shoes when I was younger. The smell of the inside of shoes is what I used to like for real. I don't know. It just smelled good to me. I wished my room smelled like the inside of shoes. It's weirdly satisfying. Like gasoline. I like the smell of gasoline for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, this one shoe. Here's both shoes together. There's no hidden messages or anything here. Just two shoes. The left one and the right one. Ta-da! Another thumbnail opportunity. But yeah, guys, that was my shoe video, my shoe unboxing. These shoes are for sale. If anybody wants to buy them, hit up Dog ASMR and we'll ship them to you. Oh man, I be cracking myself up sometimes. Alright, I'm gonna put these shoes back in the box and go eat. Hang out with Dora. She's been working all day. So, I'll hit you guys up later.